Jamie Carragher's spitting incident set social media alight with a mix of those wanting to see him banished from the planet for such a heinous act and those defending the Sky Sports pundit. Dean Windass though officially came up with the bizarrest reaction. Of course there's no one saying what Carragher did when he spat at a fan and it hit his 14-year-old daughter was a good thing to do, but it did feel blown out of proportion. Perhaps Dean Windass should follow Peter Crouch's example of how to tweet properly. The former Liverpool defender was hit with a big Twitter backlash, with some even calling for him to lose his job as a pundit and commentator for Sky. Carragher has subsequently been suspended by the television broadcaster until the end of the season, after initially missing Monday's game between Manchester City and Stoke City. Amongst all the reaction, though, Dean Windass has somehow managed to give the most bizarre response on Twitter. The former Hull City forward has since deleted his almost incomprehensible post on social media. Moral might be the greatest thing ever. Considering Windass has actually twice been banned from driving after being caught drink driving, you'd have thought that maybe he should keep his feelings on the recent incident, but maybe that's why he's of course it grabbed the attention of plenty of people on the social media platform.